there, I'm now going to show you how to create a transfer from a receipt. In your receipts screen here, select receipt, click create transfer. A create transfer from receipt dialog box like this appears. Select the store you would like to create a transfer for, click create, and a message appears. Are you sure you want to create this transfer? Yes. Your transfer was created successfully. Okay. And it takes you to your transfer screen, and here is your transfer that has been created. As you see, the status of this transfer is in packing. You can double click on the transfer and you can add in an item to this transfer like this. It has been added to your transfer below. You can edit this transfer by selecting on a product and deleting the product. You can save this transfer by clicking save, or you can double click on the transfer again, and if you are ready to send the transfer, you can send. A message appears. Are you sure you want to send this transfer? You will not be able to make any changes to it again. Yes. Click send again, bottom. Are you sure you want to send this transfer now? Yes. Click on the transfer, and if you'll notice, the status of the transfer has been changed to waiting for delivery. And that is how you would create a transfer from a receipt. And that's the end of our training. Please like and subscribe to our channel.